All right. Can you look at that? My gosh, this car is so nice. See the space? You can have a picnic in this car and pick your kids up from school and never be late because it's fast. So this is a 2020 RS6. Basically, it's an Urus, but in low, and in Audi. But it has the same technology, the same drivetrain, the same engine. This particular unit is the first in Malaysia, the first RS6 in Malaysia, and the first one to come with to be modified with a full Akrapovic Exhaust System, including OPF delete. So that's why the car doesn't run on stock. We have to tune it. We have to make the OPF delete, and we have to tune it to stage 2. Aww. From 600 horsepower, we will go up to the owner request for only 720. It could do a little more, but he says he doesn't want it too fast. So 720, 730 horsepower in this family sedan. And I think it looks amazing. It's really, really yummy. Really yummy. Here we go. Of course, what it's all about, the engine. 4-liter twin-turbo V8. Take a look at those brakes, Hassan. Okay. Ceramic brakes, 10 pot. So basically, it's like you're throwing an anchor. These brakes are really, really strong. And now the back. Look at that. Here, Akrapovic with valve control. The full carbon deck, everything is decked out. Full spec. There's nothing, wait, let me see. Does it have the screens in the back? No. Okay. But it pretty much is full spec. Even a lot of space in the back, man. Panoramic sunroof. So right here, we behold the ECU. Very simple, very easy to access. What we're gonna do is we're gonna bench it, which means we are gonna attach our devices to the actual ECU, read out its content, and tune it in the end. So we don't have to do much. It's very easy to access. And actually, I really can't wait to get started and really try it. All right, ECU flashed, ECU back in. Now test started.
So what do you done to this car?
The car comes with a full exhaust system. Modern cars have a so-called OPF, auto particulate filter. Thank you. To remove this thing is actually something that in other countries is illegal. In this country, it's not. It's been removed, so that would usually cause a limp mode. It means the car doesn't run properly anymore, and a check light. So that has been coated out. The catalysts have been coated out because it's completely free-flowing. And the stage 2 has been applied. So sharper ignition angles. We have, of course, a different fuel trim to run better cooling, also to accommodate more boost, of course. So I'm carefully expecting around 740 horsepower. Now here comes the test start. It's alive. RS mode. Ah, we can rev higher now. Wow, that sounded sweet, right? Let's see what this thing sounds like from the inside. Can't wait to get a test drive. Come on, let's go. I love it. That's basically what excites me most, is to test something new. This car is so big, but it's so easy to maneuver. Like the steering is like, it feels like you're on ice. It feels like no resistance at all because it's servotronic, or however you call it nowadays. It adapts to where you are and what driving situations. So the car handles immensely well. And you see everything here. You see everything around you. Crazy. You don't need to look through the mirrors anymore. I'm excited. Oh, the sound is already nice. Oh, I love it. Oh, I love it. I love it. I love it. Can I steal this car now? The brakes are insane. The car feels like it weighs 100 kilo. It's comfy. Nothing rattles in here. Super direct steering. Wow. Okay, let the guy pass a little. Let these guys pass. Okay, what do you think we can reach? Like say where that car is, at that patch. What do you think we get? 120?
Probably, yeah.
Okay.
120.
Okay, let's see that. I won't use launch control. I don't want to rape his clutch. Okay, ready? Go. $120, $135.
Brakes, man.
Yeah, like wait.
Slow down so fast.
What the hell, man? These brakes are insane. Sexy. Very, very sexy. I love it. Speechless? What do you want me to say? Great car? I think that was already known. Brakes are amazing. The car is huge. I mean, look at this car. Look at me next to this car. It's a huge car, but it feels and handles like it was a Porsche. It's fast. It's comfy. It's loud when you want it to be loud. It's quiet when you want it to be quiet. It's a perfect family car, and it looks amazing. And I mean, there's nothing to say about this car. Nothing negative.
What do you think about the exhaust system?
Great. I mean, it's Akrapovic. They all do a great job all the time, all the time. The sound is just right. Yeah, it's an amazing car. It's just a matter of taste, whether you like it or not. But I think that's the fastest way to send your kids to school.